Okay, let's go back to my Berlin video and create this transition from scratch. First, let's check all the scenes we're going to use. Raw scene number 1. Straight out of the GoPro. Okay, raw scene number 2. And we will use the pole from this scene as well. Just the pole here. Okay, open up Premiere and import the scenes. Okay, import the scenes. Scene 1. Scene 2. Trim the second clip and place it above the first one. Import the third scene. Scale to fit frame size. Choose the frame you want and export it as PNG. Open the PNG in Photoshop. Remove the background and save it again as PNG. Import the new PNG file into Premiere and place it above all scenes. Like this. Trim it to your desired length. And add the transform effect. Like this. Now you have to animate it. Add a keyframe at the beginning and take the pole out of our scene to the far right. Add a second keyframe where you want your transition to end. Move the pole to the far left out of our scene. Perfect. Now we must go to the second clip and we have to mask it out so it follows the motion of the pole. Go to the first frame, add a mask, add a keyframe at the mask path option, move some frames forward, adjust the mask, nice. Adjust the mask for a third time. Seems perfect. One final touch. Go to the transform effect and check this and put your shutter angle at 180. So the pole will have some motion blur on it. Just like that. Add my DRESDEN LUT and black bars and you're ready.